Believe me, I know that we can take many wrong decisions and those wrong moves can affect so much in our life. Sometimes we feel bad about them and believe me, most of the time we shouldn't care. Today I am talking about some of these things which you should never regret and in the past you have regretted. This video will be short and simple, so enjoy the video, and before that make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel and turn those notifications on because we make these videos every single day for you guys to help you guys out there make a change and become a better person. So let's start the video. Point number 1, choosing the wrong major in college. You should never feel bad about choosing the wrong major. So what if you majored in American history but have a job in sales? Your major doesn't define you and neither should college. Honestly, no one really cares what your major was when you get to the point of applying for a job. No matter what you hear, don't ever regret the major you choose. Just stick with it. Point number 2, making the wrong choice about college. We tend to believe we must go to college to be successful. This is a complete lie. Whether you choose to go to college or not, don't regret the decision you made. At the time, it may seem like it's the best thing to do and you are probably the different person because of it. I mean, look at all the successful people in life. Most of them quit college. Sometimes I wish I did too. Point number 3, drinking too much that night. We have all had the night when we accidentally drank too much and did something stupid. This night probably gave you a pretty badass story, but it also taught you an important lesson about vodka. Even if you could go back in time and fix whatever happened that night, chances are the same thing would happen at another point. Fate is pretty good at making a strong appearance somewhere. Point number 4, dating a douche. At some point in your life, you will probably date a completely awful person for too long. When it ends, you will hate yourself for it and wish you had the time back. This experience will teach you how it feels to be vulnerable and allow yourself to feel emotions. Without emotion, how would you feel alive? Point number 5, spending too much on something. Sometimes I wonder if I'm wasting too much money on traveling every time I leave the country. But then I remember what experiences I had on how much I grew from them. Don't ever feel bad for spending too much money on something. Chances are you learned something crucial after you felt a hole in your wallet. Point number 6, picking the wrong job. At some point in your life, you will choose to work a job that doesn't make you happy over a job that might because one offers more money. This is an important lesson to learn because it only enhances the idea that a job should be more about the work than the money. Don't feel bad for not choosing a typical day job or choosing an awful day job. This will only help you find your next best job. Point number 7, yelling at someone you love. At any given points in our life, we will have a passionate negative feeling against someone else. There will be times that this will come out in the wrong way and will hurt the other person. Never feel bad for doing this because you are simply expressing your emotions. Never feel bad for showing your feelings. Point number 8, leaving someone you love. It doesn't matter in what manner this happens. We all leave someone we love at some point. It could be family, friends, or a lover. To move on with our lives, sometimes we have to leave people behind. Leaving someone who is so close to our heart always seems like it's a mistake, but in some ways it sets us free. Never question your choice to leave a good thing behind. Point number 9, getting in trouble with the law. See, I am not encouraging bad behavior or saying it is right to do it, but you shouldn't be regret breaking the law. The government isn't really an incredible fun source to be against, but it probably taught you to change your behavior in a way that no other human being could. Point number 10, not saying I am sorry. There are many times I really wish I would have said I am sorry to someone. It hurts me at night when I think back to the time I really messed up and should have apologized right away. There will be times when you will write an entire apology in your head and it will never be spoken. Don't regret never saying it. Some things in life are best left unsaid because deep down inside we know that it may not change things to the way they were. Forgive yourself for not forgiving others.